Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to present you the most difficult puzzle that we all know about, drawing this image without lifting pen and crossing lines. We all know that since so many days this difficult puzzle. Now I will present you the solution for this difficult puzzle. Now I will draw this difficult puzzle without lifting pen and crossing lines. So this is the solution. So I have drawn the same image without crossing the lines and lifting the pen. This is my solution for the difficult puzzle. I once again draw this thing. So this is my solution. You can draw more accurately also. So viewers, follow my channel, subscribe my channel. I will present more good things in my future videos. Thank you.